And now let's look at how to actually go ahead and buy cryptocurrency here on Binance. So depending on your situation, there's a couple of different ways. If you have already deposited fiat currencies like euros, US dollars onto your Binance account, then you can simply convert those fiat currencies into any crypto that you want. And you can use the simple trading feature for this. So to do that, we would simply go to trade up here, and then we would come over here to convert. So we would click on convert, and then here under from, you want to just choose the currency that you have already on your account. So let's say I have deposited some euros onto my Binance account. So I would just go here, type in euros, and then I'm going to choose euros right here. And then I can choose how many euros I want to convert into crypto. In this case, let's say we want to convert 20 euros into, let's say we want to choose here some Ethereum. And then I can basically click on preview conversion right here. And then it will show me how much Ethereum I will get for my 20 euros. So then I can just click on convert. And now I have just used my 20 euros to buy some Ethereum. I can now also click on view status right here. And that will take me into the convert history where I can see exactly what I have bought for what price. I can also go to the wallet and click on fiat and spot. And then I should see that Ethereum that I have just bought in here in my fiat and spot wallet right here. Now, if you don't already have some funds on your Binance account, but you want to buy crypto as quickly as possible, you can use the credit card feature to do that. So for this, we would just go to buy crypto here on the top and then click on credit debit card. And then here under the buy tab, we can just type in the amount that we want to spend on any crypto. So let's say we want to spend $100. And let's say we want to buy some ADA, some Cardano. And then I would just click on continue right here. Then here I can see how much ADA I would get for my $100. And then I would have to click on add new card. So I'm going to click on this button. And then I would have to type in my credit card information. And then once I click on next and confirm the transaction, then after a couple of seconds, once the transaction has gone through, I should have my cryptocurrency already in my Binance wallet.